Hey girls! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a super cute vintage rose design. I am doing this design on some full cover nail tips that I got from AliExpress. For this design I am just using the AWSM color gel polish. This is from Makartt. I will have it linked in the description. I'm going to be using one of those plastic color swatches just to place my gel polish on. I wasn't quite sure all the colors that I was planning to use for this manicure, but I do use the white gel paint that is on the left. I also used some light pink and dark pink gel paint. I also used a fine nail art brush and my dotting tool. So to start off, I'm going to take the green gel polish that came in the kit and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of white gel paint. After I lightened up the green color, I am going to be adding a little bit of the blue gel polish. I did decide to go ahead and add a little bit more white because it wasn't quite light enough. I just wiped off a gel top coat brush to use it to paint the nail. I'm going to apply a thin, even layer to this nail. I'm going to be applying this color on all the nails except the ring finger. For my ring fingernail, I'm going to be taking the light blue gel polish and I'm going to mix in a little bit of the white gel paint. I'm going to paint this on the nail and then I'm going to do a full cure to all of the nails. I did try to mix up a little bit more of that green gel polish color. It wasn't exactly the same, but it was close enough. I wanted to do a second layer of this color. I'm also going to be applying a second layer to the ring fingernail. Then I'm going to do a full cure under my lamp. I'm going to take the white gel paint and my dotting tool. Using the big side of my dotting tool, I'm going to add dots all over the nail. Once I have that design like I want, I am going to do a flash cure under my lamp. I'm also going to do the same dot design on my index nail. For the ring fingernail, I'm going to take the fine nail art brush and the white gel paint and I'm going to add horizontal lines on the entire nail. For the ring fingernail, which is the blue one, I'm going to take my fine nail art brush and the hot pink gel paint and I'm going to be drawing circles on the corners of the nail. For each corner of the nail, I am adding 2 or 3 circles along with 1 or 2 circles on the edges of the center of the nail. After I flash cure that layer, I'm going to take the light pink gel paint and I'm going to be highlighting the roses on the nail. My camera cut off and I did not get this one on camera, but it's very simple. Just draw some swirly lines going onto the pink dots. After that layer is fully cured, I'm going to take the dark green gel paint that I have and I'm going to be drawing the leaves of the roses. I'm just doing this to kind of fill in all the gaps that this design has. I am going to do a full cure under my lamp. I'm going to be doing the same design for my thumbnail. After all the nails are fully cured, I'm going to go in with a gel top coat and cure this under the lamp. Here are how the nails look. I was personally not a fan of how the gel paint was sticking off. This is because I just applied a very thick layer of it. To blend in the design with the nail, I'm going to take a buffing block and I'm going to lightly buff over the nail. Then I'm going to take my matte gel top coat from Makartt and I'm going to apply this to the nail. Do a full cure under the lamp and this is how it looks. I'm going to repeat those same steps for all of the other nails. And these are the finished nails. I really love how this design came out. I think it's so cute and it's perfect for spring. This design was inspired by Nina. I will add in her Instagram handle. She was doing a Mani collaboration and the theme was polka dots. This is what I came up with for that collaboration. I hope you guys love this design. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!